If you're watching my channel, you know I do a lot of stuff that no one else has ever done. This is a refrigerator ripened avocado. You buy those hard avocados. Cut this out. Get rid of the seed. Do the seed like this. Hold it like that. Whack it. Give it a turn. Look at that. And throw it in the garbage. But there are other uses for the seed. You can Google that. Now the nice thing about refrigerator ripening, I'll use this one. This one's a little fatter. You go in and you peel it like this. Look how the skin comes right off. That is a refrigerator ripened avocado. Notice. All right. Now the way you cut it, hold on, wait for it. All right. I'm going to place it like this. And cut. One more, and wait for it. We want to do the other. And there you go. The magic begins. I'm going to leave this in the fridge for a couple days. Probably more. Actually, we want to turn it. We'll eat that. I am slowly becoming a chef channel. Chefs are starting to come to me and say, hey, how you do that? What's that secret? And here you go. I went to Dollar Tree and I got coconut cooking spray. There you go. And that's for me. Get to eat that. And that's going to go into the fridge. Let's see, 3 days. And it's going to be like brand new, like I just cut it. Amazing, right? Better than anything to preserve an avocado, a sliced avocado. Normally, people cut avocados like this. We cut it that way. So, amazing, right? Then, when you want to use it, cut it this way 2 times. And you got perfectly avocado for whatever you want to use it for. Remember, cut it this way once, and you're good to go. Oh wait, hold on. That's my yummy. This is yuppie food. Thank you, Storage Plus. Pyrex. Love you.